The easiest way to add text to a DaVinci Resolve project is to click on the effects library and then titles and choose one of these options, probably basic text. You have to drag it into your timeline, which is a drag, but okay. Put your playhead above the text so you can see what you're doing. And you can just drag it around right here in the screen. You can also type in a new title right there on the screen, or click over here on the inspector and type in what you want here. Here are some things about the way all this works. You can adjust the size here in the inspector window, or you can do it on the screen. You can also adjust the size of just one letter, like I'm doing here with the C in this name and the letter N. You could adjust each word separately. You can have each word be different colors or different sizes. So you have a lot of leeway here. Down here is where you control the drop shadow. If you move the offset, you can see how far away the shadow is from the letters and set it the way you want. You can also set the opacity to make it darker. This command called stroke kind of adds a black border around your text all the way around. Makes it a little easier to see against a background. You can change the color here in the inspector. Don't forget you have to close out of this little color window before you can do something else. Once you get the text, the cool thing is all you have to do is change the letters up here and it'll keep everything else the way you've set it, the color, the stroke, all that. And that way, like over here in a different part of my video, if I want to use the same looking text, I can just copy and paste this clip by option dragging on a Mac or by pressing Control C and Control V on a PC. Once I position the text where I want it over here, all I have to do is go in here and change what the text says, and I don't have to bother with redoing the color, font, stroke, all those other things that I did before. If you resize on the screen here, it keeps everything in proportion so I don't lose my large size H. So now I have text in two places and it looks exactly the same in both.